Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can disable or enable wishlist notifications. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, this game looks good. The first thing you want to do is just go here, view my profile, edit profile. Oh no. Go to top right and account details. That's what we're looking for, account details. Then just click here in contact info, manage email preferences. And you're gonna select here, you can opt out all email communication or send me email when, and you can choose like which one you actually want to have. Like, okay, you want to have only discount or publisher or opt all out. I recommend like having opt all out so it's not triggering you to buy things, but that's just me. I'm kind of minimalist, you know. So have a great day, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and goodbye. Have a great day.